our loving mothers. Let's start. The material we require for making this card is colored sheets, any color, green color plus 3 any colors, okay, and the base color, any base color, markers, scissors, pencil, Fevicol, and a lid to make the circles. So let's start our card. So first of all, I'll draw a petal. And I'll cut this petal. For cutting, the small kids can take help of their mothers or fathers. Sorry, don't take help of your mothers because this card is for your mother. So take help of your father or brother or sister. Okay, so I have got this one petal. So now I'll draw a flower with the help of this single petal. So how can I draw a full flower? Watch carefully. Just join the base of the petal and draw the next one. All petals are done. Now I got a beautiful flower. The center of the flower I'll make with this lid. Okay, place this lid in the center and make a circle. So I'll draw one more circle because I need 2 circles. Now I'll cut all these petals with the help of scissors like this. Along with the lines, you can cut these petals. Be careful while cutting if you are cutting on your own. Okay, to save our time, I have already cut a flower. So this is the flower I have cut already. So now I have this petal. I'll draw this petal. I have this sheet, colored sheet. I'll fold it like this and trace this petal onto this sheet with the help of pencil. Repeat the same thing with other colors also and cut them together. See, I got 2 petals out of this. So similarly, cut both the colors and you will have these 6 petals. 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 blue. You can use any color, not mandatory to use the same colors. Now I'll fold this. Just move your petals like this. Keep anything, you can use your pencil. Keep your pencil in the center of the petal and move your pencil like this upward, and your paper should be in between pencil and your thumb like this. So do this, repeat the same with all the petals. Sorry. Okay, now I have cut that circle which I have drawn earlier. So this will go here. Okay, so first I'll write on this. My mom is. Okay, now I'll paste these petals here. Only at the base I'll put Fevicol, nowhere else. Repeat the same. Like this. Okay, now this circle I'll put Fevicol and place it in the center. So what do you think your mom is? Write down on all these petals. Like I'll write, my mom is undoubtedly very gorgeous, very strong, my gorgeous mother is my role model. My mom is very caring. It's all wet. Please, whatever you want to write, let it dry first and then write. We don't have time, so I'm writing while it is wet. So my mom is wise. And my mom is lovable. Okay. So our flower is ready, but without a stalk, a flower is not ready. So let's make a stem of the flower. Now we'll roll this green color sheet with the help of our pencil. Roll tightly. Now to fix it, use tape, because with the help of tape it will fix quickly. Okay, now the next thing is a leaf. So you can draw a leaf on this green sheet. And cut it with the help of scissor. Or one more thing you can do, take a sheet, green sheet, fold it into half, then trace half part of the leaf like this and cut it with the help of scissor. So we'll get a leaf. Okay. Now first we will fix this stem at the back of the flower. So you can again use sellotape for fixing it at the back of the flower. Okay, now fix this leaf with the help of Fevicol here. So our flower is ready. See how beautiful it is looking. Now I'll clear everything and we'll read it again what we are trying to say our mom is. My mom is strong. My mom is my role model. My mom is very caring. My mom is wise. My mom is lovable. And my mom is gorgeous. I hope all of you like this. So my leaf is still wet, so I'll fix it with so I hope all of you like this flower. So give this flower to your mom on her special day, and that is Mother's Day. So I hope all of you like this video. If you like this video, do share, like, comment and subscribe, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.